Hey, I get it. You don't want AI or a robot writing your book. You want something that's real, that's personal, that sounds like you. I mean, it's your story, right? So it deserves your voice. So let me be clear. What I'm offering today is not ChatGPT. It's not some copy and paste or cookie cutter out of the box AI tool. What I'm offering is an AI assistant that helps write the words and pull the words of your story out of you. It doesn't write for you, it writes with you. Think of it like GPS. You're the one driving the car, but the GPS helps you reach the destination without delay, without procrastination, and without writer's block. Unlike traditional AI and chatbots, the book written with your personal AI assistant will never be flagged for AI generated content. It'll be written in your voice, will connect with your full audience and not just those who write and read the way you do. And it's all safely saved, no memory limits, and no messages telling you to come back tomorrow and finish your work. If you've been holding back because you're afraid of engaging with I want you to know it's not about replacing you, it's about releasing you. Your story needs to be told and not in some robotic AI like tone, but in the tone of your life, your struggles, and your breakthrough. Our next book writing workshop is June 16th. In just 5 hours, 1 hour a day, you can have your full completed manuscript. This workshop is normally $997, but for June only, we're offering 50% off, $497. Seats are limited because we want to keep the workshop low so that we give you that personal touch. Go right now to bezalelconsulting.com/workshop. Bezalel is Bezaleel consulting.com/workshop. Enter the code your story and finish writing that book so the world hears your story.